Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And I have the last few items of my Nordstrom haul to show you. So if you remember a couple weeks ago when I did my first haul and when I did my what am I getting and what I want, on my list big time was luggage. And I didn't get the luggage. I talked myself out of it. So I do want a luggage set, but I felt that I really need a large bag and a carry-on. And those were two carry-ons. And I started thinking about it too. When we typically travel, they usually run out of overhead space. And if it doesn't fit into the seat in front of you, you have to check it anyway. And I'm a fashionista and I need a large suitcase to go traveling, not a smaller one. So between that and some of the reviews weren't exactly positive on this, I think I need to hold out and purchase a carry-on duffel that I could put in the seat below me and a large suitcase that I can pack. If any of you have any suggestions on luggage that you like, put in the comments below, because I am on a hunt for that. I did notice that Amazon has some pieces and I'm considering those. So let me know your thoughts on any luggage you want to recommend to me. So what did I get? Well, what else did I get? I never got my mother jeans. They sold out before I can get them. I never got the blank NYC jacket, and there was something else that sold out before I can get it. Oh, the blue boots. All right, so there were blue boots that I absolutely didn't need, but they were really pretty. They sold out, and all three of those things, because they sold out, I was okay with, because I really didn't need them. What I do need are these boots. So these boots are by Steve Madden. I think they were 140. I'll bring links below. They are leather. They have this nice heel. They only have the zip here on the bottom. I did try them on briefly without any pants on, and they did button zip, but I don't know if it's gonna work with jeans. So I will try them on with you, see if they work, and hopefully they do, and I can keep them. Otherwise, I'll return them. The next thing that I bought, and I'm on the fence about, and my friend Shannon is here, and she's got the idea what my husband is like, and she thinks I should return it, and I'm thinking she is right. I got this beautiful Peter Millar, it's not even a sweatshirt, it's just a long sleeve knit top, and this beautiful like berry kind of color, or purpley berry. Love it. The material is super soft. It's modal. My husband would love it, but if he knew how much this was, which was $90, he would flip, and he would probably never wear it, and it would sit in the closet forever. We're going on a cruise in March. I thought this would be really a good thing to wear when we're out at sea, because it's so cold here in Jersey at that time. And this with a pair of jeans I thought would look nice, but I think right now, I'm going to return it, because he doesn't have anything for $90. He buys all this stuff at Sam's Club and Costco. I know, it's terrible, but he just would not appreciate a $90 top. He go, oh, this is nice. And he go, how much? I'll return it. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and return it and look for things at Nordstrom Rack for him to see if there's something for him there. All right, the next thing I got that I highly doubt were gonna work for me are these Joe jeans, the Mia high-rise wide leg. And I held these up to me, and for these to fit me, they have to come up to my boobs. So we'll see if these work or not. I really highly doubt it. You never know. The rise is enormous on these. So we shall see. All right, give me a minute and I will do a try on. Okay, first on I have on are the, who are these by? Joe's jeans. The Milla high rise, I believe, what they're called. They're really high rise. So my belly button is here, and the button comes up about an inch and a half above that. And there's just too much fabric right here. I have to wear my tallest heels with this, which are my Steve Madden funky boots. So these just aren't going to work for me. These are going back. I saved more money. All right, give me a minute, and I'm going to try on the boots. Okay, I could not get these on over my chubby calves. I do need a pair of black boots. I was hopeful for these. It's quite obvious I'm gonna need to buy wide width boots to get them over my calves. And honestly, I think I'd rather have an over the knee boot. I'm kind of torn between them. I could wear the regular knee high, but I think I might want an over the knee. I'll look for both at a reasonable price in a wide, and I'll go back onto Nordstrom to see if these come in wide. I can tell you the Dolce Vita did not. Maybe these will. But yeah, unfortunately, it just won't work for me, and I'm kind of sad about it because I think it was a fair price. They're a lovely boot. They just don't work. The jeans, they were nice. I might have kept them if they fit me a little bit better, but they do not. And I don't know. My husband just won't appreciate that top for $90. He buys all his stuff at Sam's and Costco, and he'd freak out if I told him I spent $90 on a shirt for him. And years ago, he used to shop like Nordstrom and pay that much on his Burma Biba shirts. He used to love those. Now, he wears rags, and it's very upsetting. All right, well, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. I appreciate you all spending your time with me today, and I'm sorry these hauls didn't come out better than I expected. I'm actually okay with that. I spent well over $1,000 at Nordstrom, and out of everything, I kept one pair of shoes for $83. All right, take care, and until next time.